Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video I bring some new and latest collection of ribbon flower decoration ideas for my viewers. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this fine collection. In this video, I bring some latest collection of ribbon flower ideas for my viewers. These are some new and unique ideas and very elegant styles to make flowers with different colorful ribbons. You can use these as your home decoration ideas and different other sort of decor ideas. Viewers, these are some elegant ideas that you can use to create decor pieces or different sort of other decorations. You can use these ideas. These are some ribbon flowers that you can easily made and I will share some sort of do-it-yourself ribbon flower ideas for you to make it yourself and decorate your houses through these unique ideas. You can make these type of flowers by purchasing different colorful ribbons and self-created these sort of ideas. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, there are different sort of colorful flowers. You can see different colorful combinations in it, and by using different colorful ribbons and forming flowers through it, you can also use green ribbon to create a different and unique look by creating flower leaf ideas. You can also use these sort of ideas to decorate the walls of your houses. Despite of walls, you can also use to create these as different backdrop ideas for your different events, parties or gatherings. I hope you will love this video or collection, and I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas or collection for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section. I will work on it to fulfill your requests. And if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries. Viewers, if you like this video, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel, and keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.